Hi, I'm Rob.
And I'm Kelly.
Kelly and I were at the annual membership meeting for the Great Lakes Cruising Club recently, and we saw a great presentation from the chairperson for the Great Lakes Cruising Club School, Mark Gagyi.
It was a great presentation, because it covered how to enroll in the school, how to enroll in each and every class, and how to obtain the discount so the classes are free if you're a member.
So give a listen, and we'll be back with another video next time.
See ya.
Hi, everybody. My name is Mark Gagyi, and I'm from Great Lakes Cruising Club School. So we're glad to have you here. I happen to be the current chairman of the group, and we're going to talk about the Great Lakes Cruising Club School, and we're glad to have you here. We're going to tell you about our story here. Now, who are we, and where did we come from, and what do we do? Great Lakes Cruising Club School, right? Oh, wait a minute. What's this? Great Lakes Cruising Club. I bet you're not surprised by that. The Great Lakes Cruising Club is an outfit that's been around for quite a while. Got a lot of members on both the U.S. and Canadian side of the borders here in the Great Lakes, and all of us are dedicated to enjoying and preserving our Great Lakes. We'd love to take our boats out and float from one end of the Great Lakes to another. And if you know who we are, this is our sign here. That's our burgie. That blue burgie with the links, the white links and chain. That's a Great Lakes Cruising Club burgie, and we've been around for a long time. And one of the things we did about a decade ago, a little over a decade ago, we founded the Great Lakes Cruising Club School. These three guys here, and if you're members of the club, you might know some of those: Bill Rohde, Al Murphy, and Dan Klein. And they started about 2010. And we've been going on since then. And now here's today's members. A lot more people, a lot more talent that we brought along. And so these are all volunteer members from the Great Lakes Cruising Club who work to make the Great Lakes Cruising Club School happen. So what do we have to offer? What does the school have to offer? We don't do donuts and coffee, but we do a whole bunch of webinars. A whole bunch of webinars. We'll run about 40 or so webinars between the middle of November and into early May. They run about an hour and 15 minutes. They're affordable, they're easy to get to, and they cover tons and tons of topics. So we've got about 20 cruising guides out there from one end of the Great Lakes to another, all different places. So we've got, let's see, we've got 2 Georgian bays, we've got 2 North Channels, we've got 5 Lake Superiors, we've got 2 Lake Ontarios, 2 Lake Michigans, 1 Lake Erie, 1 Lake Huron, plus Trent Severn Waterway through Southwest Ontario, and the Great Loop. So we got a lot of cruising guides. Got a lot of cruising skills. So we got anchoring there. We've got overnight and distance passage making. We got one of the cooking and cruising. That's a fun one. Cooking and cruising. Getting through how to get through locks. We've got how to work your radar or your marine radar. A lot of cruising skill webinars. Got a lot of mechanical skill webinars. So we've got fiberglass repair, rigging and sails. We've got solar power. We've got high tech with pro batteries. And we have 5 diesel webinars. Also, we have an extensive series of classes on weather, specifically Great Lakes weather. I think we have 7. Yeah, I think 7. 7 classes on weather. And we have some fun classes. Rum. That's fun, isn't it? Boy, that's a good time. And here's the deal. Not only do we have lots of topics, we have a really good presenter. Excellent presenter. So if you take a cruising guide, you might run into Dave Spencer there. Dave doesn't just talk about what he used to do. He doesn't talk about where he went last decade. Dave has been through the Georgian Bay, the North Channel extensively. This summer, he spent 6 weeks there. He and his wife, Kathy, made 2 trips up from their home port in Midland, Ontario, and they anchored out every night except one. He knows what he's talking about when it comes to cruising, that portion of the Great Lakes. Cruising skills, how about Bill Rohde there? Bill Rhodey has a resume a mile long and very deep on cruising. He's been at every Great Lake. He's been up and down the St. Lawrence River, in and out of the Erie Canal, up and down the intercoastal waterway. He's been in the Bahamas. He's been points south into the Caribbean. He knows what he's talking about. Down here in the bottom, the two fellows down there, Jim Zima and Mark Thornton, they come to us from Cruisers University. Now, if you're not familiar with that, that happens in Annapolis, Maryland, twice a year. The one in the fall happens in association with the boat shows there. These guys present to sold-out crowds at Cruisers University every year. Quality, quality. And then we've got our buddy Steve Wyckoff up there. He does the rum class, plus a couple others. So he can be serious, or you can have some fun with rum and our buddy Steve. So we got great presenters on great topics. So how do you get started in a GLCC school? Well, you just go looking for us online. Everything we do is online. It's an all online school. Just remember GLCC School, type it in, you'll find our website. Now, if you happen to be a member of the Great Lakes Cruising Club, you can go to the Great Lakes Cruising Club website and click on school, and that'll take you to the website also. That's another way to get there. Now, once you're there, what do you want to look at? That's our homepage on our website. If you're new, start here, about the GLC school and getting started guide. That'll give you an orientation overall. What you don't want to do is get started like we used to do when we put together the swing sets for the kids long ago. We didn't read the instructions. We always ended up with parts left over, missing parts. So read the instructions first, get an orientation, then start looking for classes. We have open classes, and if you click on that, you're going to get all of the classes that are open for registration right now. You can go to future classes. You click there, you're going to have the classes that are out in the future. They're not open for registration, but they're on the books, they're scheduled, they're ready to go. You also might want to look at the class schedule. Now, if you just want to see overview of everything that's there, it just has a list. And by the way, all of those class titles in green, those are all interactive. So you click on those, it'll take you to what you want to see. That's another thing you can do to find out what's going on. And by the way, I almost forgot this. We're always adding new webinars. By the first year, we'll be pretty much done with that. But right now, new webinars are coming on all the time. So you might want to keep looking back to see what we've got. Okay. Another thing you want to look at is recordings. Now, all of our webinars are recorded. They're presented live. They're interactive at that night when they're done, but they're also recorded. So if you sign up for a live webinar, you will get the link to the recording. That comes automatically. No extra charge for that recording for you. If you miss a webinar, you can sign up for a recording. So it's there. Those recordings stay up on our website through August of every year. So once you click there, we'll take you to the recording library. Right now, there's only one. That's because we haven't started our 2023-2024 year, but on the 16th of November, we will. On the 17th of November, we'll have another recording there. And by the time the early May comes around, there'll be 40 recordings there for you. And like I said, they'll stay up through August. Now, here's a trick. A lot of people use our recordings, whether they get them by registering for a live webinar and then not attending and just getting the recording, or whether they register for a recording, they use them as their version of live streaming. Once we give you the link to the recording, you can watch it whenever you want, as often as you want, pretty much for as long as you want. Those things almost never go away. I can't guarantee they'll be there indefinitely, but they're there for a very, very, very long time. So that's our live stream version. So how do you register for a webinar? Well, you go to the website, you find something you like. Let's say you're new to the Great Lakes and you want to get an introduction to cruising the Great Lakes with our friend Craig Murchison. You see that? Click the button, add to the cart. It'll take you to checkout. Kind of like buying something on Amazon from then on in. It's really easy. Just go through. Webinars cost $20 a piece. And and then you just go ahead with the registration process. Now, once you're done registering, we're going to send you an email. We're actually going to send you a couple of emails. This is the most important one. This one's going to have all the information you need to watch your webinar, or if you bought a recording, to watch your recording. It'll have the link. It'll have some instructions. It'll have different things in there. It'll have a way to get a hold of us if you have a question. So you want to hold on to that when we send that to you. Now, some of you might be saying, hey, listen, I heard there's a webinar discount. Hey, and there actually is. If you're a member of the Power Squadron, whether it be U.S. American Boating Club or the Canadian Power and Sail Squadron, there is a $5 discount that you can apply. And we have links to your clubs there at the bottom of the page. All right. And here's the real deal. Webinars are free for Great Lakes Cruising Club members. This is new in 2023, and it is one of many, many reasons why people want to join the Great Lakes Cruising Club. So if you're a member, hey, you can put a dent in your annual dues by just signing up for a few webinars. And if you're not a member, you might want to think about it. You can actually put a dent in your new membership. So how do you get a free webinar? Well, you start back at the club's website. This section of the club's website is only open to members, so that's why it's secure. Click there, take you to the coupon code. Oh, there you go. Click on that thing, and you'll get the code. Now, these codes, the coupon codes or discounts, are applied at checkout. So when you're going through, they're going to at the end, they're going to ask you, do you have one? So make sure you write the number down, either from the Power Squadron or from your club. Put it in there. You'll get your coupon, $5 off, or remember, $20 off. Great deal, right? Hey, okay. Now, one of the things you got to do, if you've never taken a class, you have to enroll before you can register. Yeah, that means the old dreaded gotta start another internet account. I don't know about you, but I got about 2 pages of passwords and user IDs, but we have to do that to make sure that we can find you, that we can keep your stuff secure. So you have to do it. It's not very hard. It's not very hard, but you got to do that. Okay, well, here's another cool thing. But once you're registered, once you're enrolled, every week during the school year, we're going to send you a reminder of what's coming up. So you'll usually on the weekend before, it'll tell you coming up this week in the Great Lakes Cruising Club School. It'll show you what classes are there. So if there's one that you wanted to watch for, but you kind of lost track, it'll be there, and we'll send you that every week. So keep you in touch and in tune with all the classes you want to take. Okay, so you need help, right? Yeah, that's really a pretty simple process, but sometimes things go wrong, or sometimes, first time through, you might need a little help. There we go. Right on our website. There you go. Contact us. Get a hold of us, and we're going to take you a direct pipeline to our GLC school help team. You remember those guys from the beginning? That motley crew there. One of those folks will get a hold of you, and we'll figure out whatever you need and get you started. So that's a Great Lakes Cruising Club School, an outstanding opportunity for learning, an outstanding opportunity for planning cruises, keeping your boat running, having fun while you're out there. And so we hope to see you in school. And that's it, guys. So if you have questions, get on that website and send us your question. Thanks a lot.